Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe. It's free, yeah. And if you already subscribed, press the bell icon to get the notification every time I upload the new video. So as the title suggests, yes, this makeover is under 500 rupees, guys. It's true. And everything, most of the things are already available at the home. So some of things I buy and from the local store, some of are like already present at my home. If you want backdrop for your YouTube videos or backdrop for your photos, or you just want to make some wall beautiful, you can use these things that I used, which are very cheap, and anyone can make it. So let's get into the video. So all you need is fairy lights, which will you get on Amazon for 150 rupees. I already have mine, so I didn't have to buy it. And some plants to decorate. I got these for 40 rupees per piece from the nearest nursery. Some Polaroid pictures, and if you don't have a Polaroid camera, you just do what I have done. And some clips to hang those pictures. So for the photos, I have done this collage of 6 pictures in one 3x4 size using PixArt app, and I left some border to have those Polaroid effect. Printed the picture in 8x12 size. So I cleaned the space, and I also cleaned the wall because I wanted to stick the fairy light properly. So I cut the top, left and right part of the picture, and I left the bottom part because I wanted to have that Polaroid effect. And then I hang the photos to the wall. So this is how it looks. It looks so amazing, you guys. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. So bye.